So hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate my project. This tool securely connects to Gmail using Google Zero Auth and fetches the most 5 recent emails, cleans and extracts the text and stores everything neatly into a CSV file. The goal is to make raw email data easier to analyze and visualize. I have also made sure to follow best practices like using a gitignore file so no sensitive credentials are ever uploaded to the GitHub. GitHub. Let's start with the setup. When I run this fetch emails file, it simply opens a Google pop-up. Here I just need to authorize my account as a user account, and in the Gmail console, I mean Cloud Console, I have mentioned this account as a tester, so it will simply will approve it like this. Now you can see as on the terminal I am receiving a message that 5 emails have been saved to emails.csv file, and actually it's not emails.csv, it's fetched emails.csv. It's just a basic mistake, so let's ignore this. And here are those 5 emails from my account, but I will not use these emails to do the processing. I have some sample emails that was provided as a brief, so we will use these emails for the processing and for the dashboard, but we can simply fetch the emails. I will sing that. And the scopes here are read only, so remember, the when we have to approve emails to send to someone, we have to change these scope. So here is the processing, and here I am not using this thing. So let's do the processing here. So simply when we will run this script, it will do few things like filtering the emails on the basis of words, like query, help, support, and it will prioritize them. It will categorize them, extract the information and the metadata, and generate a suitable reply that would be sent to the user. And it also facilitates us to do the things like editing and reviewing the message that is going to be sent. So after that, nothing, we have just have to run the our dashboard. That's here it is. It's a streamlit dashboard, so run it as well. It will open in the browser. So let's look at the dashboard and end the video. So here we have a dashboard that's named as customer support dashboard. Here from the brief we were provided on the unstop, we have the 19 emails, out of which 6 were urgent, 15 were negatives, and 4 were neutral, and 0 emails were have positive sentiments. And we have some graphic visuals, like first is trends over time. It's a line chart showing on which date how many emails we got. We have priority distributions of urgent and not urgent emails. For the sentiment, we can see we have more negative emails, and we can also have a bar chart to look for the senders, and a word cloud have been there to show you the words that are most. And here is the email explorer. Here you can see the urgent and immediate emails are top the top on the list for earlier processing, like this. If I select this email, you can see the subject, you can see the sender, you can see the date, you can see the priority, sentiment, email body, and the suggested reply. We can simply edit this, and here is the approve reply button. On clicking this, It's just a dummy button. The email has not been actually sent, but I just told you that you just have to change the scope to read only to something else, and it will send. And for that email we have the important information, and you can also see these the raw data which also you can download from CSV. And here's the filter. Let's check one thing. Let's check the Alice priority urgent mails, in which we have been negative. So we have just 3 emails from Alice which were urgent with negative sentiment. So that's all about the AI communication assistant. Thank you.